Today's video, I'm going to teach you in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually run a scenario in Make. Manually running a scenario is the fastest way to test your automation step by step before you schedule it or let it process live data. It helps you confirm that each module behaves as expected and that data flows cleanly from start to finish. First, open your scenario. From your Make dashboard, select the scenario you want to test and load the canvas. Take a second to confirm you've opened the correct one, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts. Next, make sure your modules are connected. On the canvas, you should see a clear flow from left to right. If any module is not connected, drag a line from the small connection point on one module to the next so data has a complete path. A clean chain ensures every step receives the input it needs. Now, click Run once at the bottom. This runs a single, manual execution using your current settings and mappings without turning on scheduling. It's ideal for testing changes safely. If your first module needs a trigger or sample data, prepare that beforehand so the run has something to work with. Then, wait for the scenario to run. You'll see activity indicators and brief status updates on the modules as Make processes each step. Depending on how many modules you have and which external services are involved, it may take a few seconds or a bit longer. Let it finish completely. When it completes, check the modules. You'll notice small numbers appear above or near each module. These numbers show how many operations or bundles passed through that step. Seeing numbers is a quick confirmation that data flowed as intended. Click each module to view output. In the right-hand panel, review both input and output details. Verify that key fields are present, correctly formatted, and mapped to the right places. This is where you can spot empty values, mismatched field types, or unexpected structures before they cause problems downstream. If you find issues, fix errors as needed. Common adjustments include correcting field mappings, tweaking filters, updating formulas, or re-authenticating a connection if it failed. Use the error messages and the data previews to pinpoint exactly where the problem starts. Finally, click Run once again to retest. Repeat the process until every module processes data cleanly and the outputs match your expectations. When your manual tests pass, your scenario is ready for regular use or scheduling.